Digits on the beat.
YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be dropping my boy Q's car off so we can get wrapped. If you follow my last video, I know I stated that like multiple times that he'll be dropping his car off to get it wrapped. So I'm on my way to my boy Q's house. I'm going to follow him to the wrap shop so we can drop it off, and then, you know, yeah, so just stay tuned because y'all in for a treat. It's going to be a crazy wrap. I mean, the wrap, you seen the wrap, you seen the type of wrap that he's gonna do. You seen it before, but yeah, it's just gonna look so good on his car with what he has planned going on. So y'all stay tuned, man. I just made some of my boy's Q's crib.
What's up, YouTube?
So we're about to go drop his bad boy off so we can get this wrap started, you know. So stay tuned.
Hopefully it don't take a fucking year. He talking about something we gotta see how long it's gonna take to get the wrap in, so.
Oh, this motherfucker still ain't got the wrap in? He bullshit.
Right. Well, he ain't took the measurements of the car, so that's, I guess it's like first part, but of course they gotta take all the
Yeah. Facts. All right, let's get it rolling. So, man, real quick, so funny story. We going to drop Q's car off, and this little Hyundai was fucking with us. So, you know, we took off on him and we ran right into the law. I'm gonna post a clip. I'm gonna post a clip. Y'all will see it. Luckily, the law ain't do nothing, you know. And we actually missed our exit to avoid, you know, messing with that law. Cause we definitely was going 100. You'll see in that clip. But hey, I'm glad he ain't hit them lights on. I was like, fuck. And I ain't even see him until we got right up on him, and I was like, oh shit, that ain't no bike rack, bruh. That's lights. But he was cool, didn't fuck with us, so yeah. Shout out to that. So we missed our exit, now we gotta turn around and take the long way. But hey, it's worth it. We ain't get pulled over, so yeah. Y'all stay tuned, we almost there, we're about 15 minutes out. Yeah. Yo, so I don't know what this car is. It's a Kia or a Hyundai, but he kept pressing on us, so me and my boy, we smashed on him. As you about to see, we smashed on him, so you'll see on my speedometer I went over 100, right? So what we didn't know is when we smashed on him, we ran right into the law, right here. Boop. That shit crazy, bro. Luckily, you know, he ain't turned his lights on us, so we got off scotch-free, you know what I'm saying? That was our exit too, but we avoided him and went the other way. All right, we finally made it here. We finna pull up towards the back, you know what I'm saying? Sir, ain't no cars here. So yeah. Well, there go a car that he wrapped right there. What's going on, man? Yes, sir. And then I pulls up over here. What's good, bro? Yo. Just got to the wrap shop. My man got this music on, gonna get me copyrighted. Yes, sir, the wrap shop. That shit clean right here, boy.
I bought the, they sent two sets of them.
C7.
What color you want? Red.
Wrap about to be crazy. Same floor mats I got.
Yeah, nah, it's gonna be real quick, bro. It is cold.
Hell yeah, it's cold. Taking this bad boy apart, getting it together. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this the guy who might wrap my car too. We're gonna see. These the wheels that's on the vet right there. MRRs. Yes, sir.
I know we talked about, I think, an inch and a half. Maybe an inch. I still have to order the roll. So this is the red or the other one? This is 1 inch. But you want to do? This is 1 inch. Yeah.
So 1 inch might be okay. I mean, that's still wide enough so you can see it visibly.
Yeah.
And help with the contrast.
And then the
inch and a half.
The red is. What's that? I think I might have just used the last.
Now that shit look good though, bro. That shit look a whole lot better with even with the wide body being out there. I mean, with that wrap, that shit just make that look like a whole new car. I ain't even cap.
Yeah, I mean it's.
Yep.
I mean, just the front bumper alone, I probably got 12 hours into the front bumper.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I'll never get to
Yeah.
You rap by yourself.
Nobody else?
Bro, shit, help me learn. Shit, I ain't see y'all pay me. I just want to learn.
I like money.
Huh?
I like money.
Oh, for real?
I got too many projects going on.
I mean, is the rapping hard though, or is it more just a tedious process to get
Oh,
down?
this is definitely the hardest thing I've ever done. I'll never do it. So this material is not made for this.
Car?
Well, it's not made to wrap. It's made for like stickers. So
Mm.
the normal material you can stretch,
Yeah.
and heat up and all this. This stuff doesn't stretch or anything. So
That's crazy.
Just the door alone is 3 pieces.
Sheesh.
Pieces of rap.
Yep. You
can't
see
even tell though.
the piece down here, the main piece here,
okay.
and then this top piece. Then the flares. So you got 1 piece under, 1 piece here, 1 piece here, 1 piece here, 1 piece here. That's 1 piece, and then this whole side piece is 1 piece, and that's 1 piece, and then I still gotta do the under.
You take the wheels off on the car?
Yeah.
Damn, I should have bought my red lug nuts so you could have put them back on the shed. I'll get those back to you
Alright.
up here so I can put those on instead of the regular black ones.
Yeah.
It's red spike lug nuts that I'm gonna put back on.
Cool.
Yeah.
Front bumper's 32 pieces.
Sheesh.
God dang. That shit crazy.
Yeah, so
He got them same little floor mats I got in this bitch.
What happened?
He got them same floor mats I got. Yep.
that shouldn't even no joke. Like I said, I won't do it again.
That shit crazy.
It was way too much work.
Yeah,
Let's see how much
look
you
like
charge
it
for
shit.
Mine, you said? Shit.
Still not worth it.
Say it worth it.
I mean, this whole car fucked up my schedule. I'm gonna have to work probably to get your car done, and then I've got another car.
Sheesh.
Yeah, it's gonna be it's actually gonna suck for me.
Man, you like money though, right?
I know, right? Shit, fuck it. So what's he doing with this car? Like
Couldn't tell you.
car show racing? Like
It ain't raceable. No, it's very drivable.
What you know with the wide body kit?
Yeah, I mean, like so with this front spacer, this is. I'm only keeping that on for the pictures, and then once he picks it up, I have to take it back off because it's not drivable with spacer. The back's fine, but the back still rubs. You see
crazy.
that? It's gonna fuck up the wrap.
sheesh.
Oh yeah, he don't even know that, do he?
Oh, he does.
You don't care?
That's why
I ain't finished with it. I got 2 more things I gotta order. I got tickets.
This is his company car that he wrapped. You know. Yeah, his little company car he wrapped. You know. Yeah. Yes, sir. This is also his truck. He's got some major work he's about to do to that bad boy.
process. Yeah. So basically, the whole door's got to come off. Yeah. And you really want everything. You'll have to get videos. You don't want to get this picture. Yeah.
Well, honestly, bro, I just want enough to hide this part here. I don't care about the hinges, but just this indoor seal. I mean, that's all I want. Just the indoor seal. I might go back on it too, because these should be open because of the but I don't want to have that go on. I mean, even if I just find you the good, I'm going to take some
Boy, it's cold as shit out here.
Is this a black? Huh?
So just like this whole thing, like this whole thing, like this whole thing. It's not even worth it. I don't think it's worth it. You know, because you're still gonna see all that wood. I mean, there would be no people with it. Well, I mean, that. I'll just see how you like it once we finish the wrap, and then we can do that after. No problem. I mean, yeah, if you weren't, that's what I was saying, like, if you weren't going to just force you to do everything, there's really no point in just doing that, because you're still going to see wood everywhere. So, at that point, then it's like, you know, obviously when you measure both,
Say bye-bye, bro. This is the last time y'all gonna see ScatPack Vina looking like this. The next time we cut the camera on, ooh-wee! Yes, sir. Let's call the motherfucker. So, YouTube, and we're back. So, today is the day we will be going to pick up my boy Q's finished, wrapped ScatPack Vina. Yes. So, I'm on my way to go scoop him up right now. We kind of pressed for time, so I'm not gonna make a video once he gets in the car. The next time I turn the video on, we will be already at the wrap shop, so y'all stay tuned. This is gonna be crazy. We've all been waiting for. Sheesh.
Damn, you finna have me going out of the road. They definitely gonna pull me over now. You ain't put the license plate back in there.
What up, brother?
Man.
Chillin'.
Man. You gotta get washed up, man. How much of that red pinstripe we got left?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you wouldn't want to use that. Pinstripe. That's small. You get way too much room for free stuff. Why, just hop on Amazon.
Yeah, I did that when I had the blue pinstripe up there.
This the Audi you talking about?
Yeah, that bitch that nice, boy. That bitch sound good. You said it was a professional racer that had that, right?
Yeah, something.
Yeah, that bitch beautiful, bro. The interior, luxury. Guys on that fancy. Oh, yeah. I see you put that back there. I ain't know though. I might keep the white one in. Like, the white one look bad. I'm definitely taking this shit out.
Yeah, see, I'm
just have your boy make all new ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if you can.
Cause I'm going all new stickers on mine.
You might not be able to do the Corsa though. I might have to hit Corsa in the back of so they can send me. If he's got a cutter, he can do it.
All you gotta do is go online and find it.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't mind putting all this in the cover. It's good, man.
What's good?
Yeah, bro, she look good though, dog. When I get that tight stickers, bro, you ain't put the things inside for me? Like you still got them or they in the car?
So you can still see the blue?
Yeah.
Bro, I know you be fucking spinning this bitch.
No, it's hard, bro. Like every fucking
Bro, I went through 6 sets of gloves.
Bro, I swear to God, like that shit is it always fixing the roads right there by the house, dog. And it's fucking hard. Like, I don't even drive it fast. And the shit always kicked up under there.
I was like, yo, I can't even. It was just cake.
Yeah. I probably just hit it with the what's it called? Yeah.
I figured as much.
I look good though, bro. I fucks with it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y'all need y'all wraps. Y'all in KC. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Wrap effects.
This is the angle right here, though.
Wrap effects.
You see that just straight on head?
Yeah, that bit look good, bro.
Yes, sir.
It look good.
Yeah, I'll get you the video and all that shit.
Wrap effects.
Like I said, tonight I'm gonna go ahead and take those. Let it be done. You know all I gotta do is just snap them in there, right?
Yeah, so just I just cut these.
Yeah, just get out. Yeah.
And then you have silicone?
I can get some. I think I got a little bit enough. I got some super glue. You might put one back on.
Yeah.
You don't got no strips of 3M, like I think?
I would have been. Well, I mean, if you're gonna go anyways, how we do that? But because of the angle.
There it is, the evil eyes.
Man, the caliber was happy with you.
Yo.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna do a more clean one. I'm gonna do one without the vibe. I'm gonna try it. I know they don't really last long. Oh yeah, nah, it look good though.
Oh yeah, he ain't done yet though. YouTube.
Oh nah.
Yeah, you can get some under the front bumper.
Huh?
Yeah. He gotta do his brakes again and then put his bolts on there. He got some bolts,
The lug nuts.
lug nuts. So car will be done this weekend for sure. For sure.
We getting there. We getting there slowly but surely.
Yes sir.
Progress is being made.
Yes sir.
See this line now, bro?
There it is. YouTube, and we're back. So my bro finally finished everything, all the mods to his car. What we was missing was these. Painted them red. Did his brake calipers red. He had this in the video, and then we did his tips red too. Yes sir. All right, YouTube, so that's it for this video. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, good feedback, bad feedback. Any feedback is good feedback, and we out. Straight like that.